This 5-minute solution will show you how to change email address on EA account. It's pretty easy process to change email address. Just follow this step-by-step guide. Open your browser and open ea.com and click on this profile icon. Click on sign in. And now select our option to sign into your EA account. After signing into your EA account, click on your profile and click on account settings. And here you will get your email address. To change it, click on edit. And now you have to verify your current email address. So click on send security code. And now you have to enter the security code. And then click on submit. And now here you can easily change your email address and then click on continue, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.